Norfolk Southern's Lamberts Point terminal in Norfolk, Virginia is one of the fastest and most efficient coal transloading facilities in the world. Since 1885, Norfolk Southern Railroad has delivered billions of tons of Appalachian coal to ships here at Lamberts Point. From here, we ship high-quality American coal all over the world. Over 95% of the coal we ship from Lamberts Point is low-sulfur metallurgical coal used for steelmaking in blast furnaces around the world. To maintain the quality of this valuable coal, we move it quickly from the mines to our pier, keeping it in rail cars to minimize oxidation and mix it in small 100-ton increments to ensure accurate blends for our customers' needs. At Lamberts Point, our personnel expertly track, monitor, and custom blend coal from more than 75 mines to meet the exact specifications of each and every receiver. Each incoming train contains up to 180 hoppers, carrying about 18,000 tons of coal. As rail cars roll past an electronic reader station, the unique identifier of every rail car is recorded. This information is then available to the operations control room, where our staff verifies that each car's number matches what was recorded when that car left the mine. This verification process is part of the Bulk Rail Inventory Management System, or BRIM. BRIM enables us to identify and separate the various classes of coal entering the facility. Classification is done according to code names to protect the confidentiality of each customer's blend. Upon arrival at Lamberts Point, each train moves onto the receiving tracks. From the receiving tracks, the cars are transferred to the storage and classification yards, which can accommodate 6,200 rail cars on 62 miles of track. Here, each car's location and class of coal are tracked again by our BRIM system to ensure the car is ready at the right time and in the right place for rapid unloading and accurate blending.
I hope you are enjoying the tour so far. I'm Dan Welch, Senior Pier Master. Here at Lamberts Point, we are set up to run 24/7 to accommodate all scheduled demands. Our goal is to serve our vessel customers for the shortest turnaround time in the port. We pride ourselves in a safe, efficient operation that meets our customers' expectations. From our observation deck, you will be able to see what we're about to cover. You can see the Barney Yard, the ship loaders, and a pair of surge silos. Those terms might not be familiar, but stay tuned and you will learn more. At Norfolk Southern's Lamberts Point Terminal, we are experienced, reliable, and customer-focused. Our years in the coal business have proven us to be one of the most efficient transloading facilities in the world, and we are here to serve you.
Cars ready to be unloaded move to a staging area called the Barney Yard. Here, the cars are lined up to be dumped in a precise order according to each customer's requirements for a custom blend. One by one, the cars are released, rolling by gravity across electronic scales. Norfolk Southern provides redundant scales to ensure operational continuity, and they're recertified every 2 months for accuracy. The weights are printed out so customers can have a hard copy. As each car crosses the scales, a microwave system records its automatic equipment identification tag. This is another step in Norfolk Southern's BRIM process to help ensure that customers get exactly the coal they ordered. After weighing, the cars move to the thaw sheds. In winter, coal may freeze and stick to the sides of the rail cars. To free it, the thaw sheds warm the cars with powerful electric heaters to 1,550 degrees Fahrenheit. An odd-looking rail device called a Barney mule pushes the rail cars up an incline into tandem rotary dumpers. The dumpers can empty 120 cars per hour. They rotate the cars 165 degrees, allowing the coal to fall freely into blending bins. If needed, 2 hammer mills in each dumper, aided by air cannons, break up large lumps of coal into smaller sizes to improve blending. From the dumper, the empty cars roll through the kickback system, which switches them into the outbound yard for return to the coal fields. The dumped coal flows through dumper bins onto a 96-inch wide conveyor belt system. This sophisticated system allows us to control both the rate of dumping from bins and the speed of the belt. Variable drive feeders precisely time the coal flow and distribution to provide efficient and accurate custom blending. The conveyor system carries the coal under powerful electromagnets to remove any unwanted metal. The coal then travels through 2 sampling towers, where a 4-stage mechanical system extracts samples for analysis by an independent testing laboratory. After being dumped, sampled, and blended, the coal moves either directly to our ship loaders or into 2 surge silos. The silos allow railcar dumping operations to continue during normal pauses in ship loading. Each of our 2 mammoth ship loaders weigh over 5.5 million pounds and stand 18 stories high. They travel the length of our 1,800-foot pier on 96 wheels to efficiently reach every hold of each vessel. They can load 2 ships at once or work in tandem to load a single ship. The ship loader's telescopic loading chutes can reach the far corners of a vessel's hold to load coal at a rate up to 8,000 tons per hour. Being able to access the far reaches of a giant collier's holds is vital, because proper distribution of such a heavy cargo as coal is critical to a ship's safety. After being loaded, the ships travel down the Elizabeth River through a 50-foot deep channel, reaching the Atlantic Ocean in just a few hours. Since 1885, when coal first shipped from Lamberts Point on a Philadelphia schooner, Norfolk Southern has set the standard for safe, reliable, and efficient service to the world's transshippers and receivers. Our Lamberts Point facility has earned ISO 9001 certification. Our personnel are highly trained and experienced. We continually upgrade our methods and infrastructure for maximum efficiency. And our sophisticated on-site custom blending reduces the need for receivers to maintain their own costly blending operations. The railroad and coal. They've been around for a long time, and they go together. They're proven technology for today and tomorrow.